pandemic 2021 and Bitcoin blew up, and I checked my portfolio and it was like, wow. Hello everybody, and thanks for joining me on my channel. So my name is Kat, and I had the craziest job experience where I was tasked back in 2017 to analyze the top 100 cryptocurrencies. At the time, I learned all of it and wrote a bunch of reports on crypto for a bunch of fancy companies. You know, I bought some. I bought like, not much, $100, $200, and some Cryptokitties. I haven't even checked my Cryptokitties yet, but I'll talk about Cryptokitties in a different episode. If you don't know what a Cryptokitty is, be sure to subscribe. Very interesting. It's almost like the first crypto game. In my opinion, it's the first NFT. Now that everybody knows what an NFT is. And, you know, I had fun. Then it went down. I wrote reports on other topics for other people and kind of forgot about it. And until this year, it's come back in the news. And so I was like checking out my account, and I have over $1,000 from like $100 invested on Coinbase. If you want to check out Coinbase, the link is in the description. So I got to learn the top 100, and I learned a lot of scams. I learned the technology behind cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. And I think those two get confused a lot. So I want to make this channel to teach people what I learned doing all those reports, and what I'm seeing now is just like really exciting. I'm just so happy because the technology is solid, the intent and the impact is pretty solid. Yeah, it's not a perfect system, and yes, there are risks, but overall, blockchain will change the world. It is changing the world. The future is now, and blockchain is the future. So I hope to be able to share some of this knowledge with you guys so that you guys can stay ahead of the curve and make a little bit of, you know, fun money before the corporations and the banks screw it all up for everybody. So now is the time to learn about it, because most people still don't understand what it is, even though it's been around now at least 10 years, I think 11 or something. I'll have to fact check myself. Yeah, so my focus on this is to kind of teach it as if I were teaching my sister or my aunt, or maybe like a older friend in their 50s or 60s that maybe they're not too good at computers, or they don't really understand technology that well. I'm kind of a technology nerd. I've been on a computer since I was born. I was born in the 80s. So I am a Generation Y or a Zillennial, because I'm like too old to be a millennial, but like, you know, I'm between Kurt Cobain and millennials. All these are marketing terms and don't, you know, necessarily mean anything, but I just love the new generation of kids. And if you take that plus blockchain, it's the future. So exciting, guys. I cannot wait to tell you all the things that I had learned. The future is amazing, and the future is basically in 2025, and it is 2021, and the vast majority of human beings do not understand what is going to happen in 4 years. And you're seeing it with Amazon, you're seeing it with drones, but like, it's gonna hit people in the face. So I'd like to help prepare some people for that too. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because it really helps the channel. Please leave a comment with any questions or comments, and if you can, subscribe, like, share. I would really appreciate it.